Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can change the time zone on TradingView app. To change the time zone on your TradingView mobile app, first of all, launch open the TradingView application and log into your account. After you're inside the home page, tap on the chart button at the bottom of the screen. Under the chart option, go ahead and select symbol. Under data modification, tap on the time zone drop-down. Choose your preferred time zone from the list and click on OK at the bottom right corner. The chart will update immediately with the new time zone. That is how you can easily change your time zone within the TradingView application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.